Maple's world of curiosity.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Welcome to the metric system, base 10 all the way. Every jump's a power of 10, that's how we play. Meters measure distance, grams measure mass, liters measure capacity in a measuring glass. Milli super tiny, kilos really grand. All the units line up in a tidy land. Each step you take along the line, you multiply or divide by 10 each time. Go into a smaller unit, multiply by 10. Go into a bigger unit, divide by 10. Each jump equals times 10, that's the plan. And moving the decimal does the same thing. Understand, King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, milli. Every jump is times 10, that's the rule. Multiply, go and right, divide, that's cool. Move the decimal right when you multiply by 10. Move it left when you divide by 10. One place for every jump you make, that's multiplying or dividing, no mistake. Start with kilograms, 1 grams instead. Moving right means multiply like we said. 1 jump times 10, 2 times 100, 3 jumps times 1,000. You've done it! 2.5 kilograms to grams we go. 3 jumps right means times 1,000, so 2,500 grams appear. Decimal moves right 3 places here. Why multiply? Let's make it plain. Grams are smaller, that's the gain. Smaller units mean you need more. That's what multiplying is for. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. 3 jumps right on the line, so we multiplied by 10 3 times. That's why 3.6 liters to milli we go. Count the jump, 1, 2, 3, so times 10 times 10 times 10 again. Multiply 3 times by 10. 3,600 milliliters, you see. Decimal moved right 3, that's key. Why multiply? Think it through. Milliliters are smaller units. True. If the unit gets smaller, the number must grow because you need more of them, now you know. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. We move right toward milli land, so we multiply just as planned. That's why, that's why, that's why, that's why. Now flip it, go the other way, from grams to kilograms today. That means we're moving left this time, so divide by 10. Keep it in mind, 5,000 grams, 1 kilograms instead. 3 jumps left like the acronym said. Divide by 10, divide again, divide by 10. That's 3 times 10. 5 kilograms is what we get. Decimal move left, don't forget. Why divide? Here's the key. Kilograms are bigger, can't you see? If the unit gets bigger, the number must shrink because fewer bigger units. Stop and think. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. We moved left 3 jumps this time, so we divided by 10 3 times. That's why Grandma's recipe says 1,200 grams of potatoes tonight, but your kitchen scale only shows kilograms. That's not right! So you divide by 1,000, move decimal left 3, 1.2 kilograms. Now dinner's ready, you're running a race that's 500 meters long, but the sign says kilometers, don't get it wrong. Divide by 1,000 so you can see it's 0.5 kilometers. That's the key. You fill in a water bottle, it holds 750 milliliters inside, but your jug is labeled in liters, now you must decide. Divide by 1,000, move decimal left, 0.75 liters, problem solved correct. We convert when tools don't match, when numbers need comparing in the same batch. It helps us cook, measure, build, compete, so our math makes sense in real life. Complete. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Kilo, hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, milli. Right is multiply by 10 each time. Left is divide, keep it in mind. Count the jump.
Hi everyone, it's Maple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want a special shout out for your class, ask your teacher to fill out the form in the description below.